Our next design is one of the more elegant yet simple balloon designs. It's a swan. For some reason, people just look at them and love them. We're going to start out with his tail. Just one little bubble for his tail. So it could be a round one, it could be a little oblong, it doesn't really matter. It wouldn't matter to hold on to it though. We'll hold on to it this time, and we're going to make another bubble that's about 4 or 5 inches long. A little bit longer than some of the bubbles we've been working with. And we're going to fold it in half and make another bubble the same way. And lock them together. Now, we're going to do the roll through. We're going to take a bubble and we're going to lay it across like this, and we're going to make it the same size as the other 2 bubbles that we had just finished. And we're going to push that bubble between those 2 bubbles, rolling the other ones out. And that is a roll through. The roll through is going to be very instrumental in future designs on other videos. For this one right here, it's going to create the body of our swan. Now, what I like to do on my swans is make another bubble and make an ear twist out of it. Now, once you have that, you'll see that the neck is sitting up nicely. You go up and you find the beak. The tip of the balloon is going to be the beak, and you're going to hold it right at the base and sort of curl it down around your hand and use the warmth of your hand. Just rub it a little bit, and that'll help you get a nice arc on your swan. And then you can just tilt them back right in between the roll through, and it'll sit up and it'll be a lovely little swan. Now, one of the reasons why I like to use the little ear twist on the front is that I can take my swan the next step further. And there's a specific reason why I chose to use pink on this one. We're going to tilt him back up, change the posture of the body, and let him down. We're going to pick up another balloon. We're going to put legs on our swan, and we're going to transform our beautiful swan into a flamingo. And we're going to take our balloon, we're going to go back to the beginning. And notice this balloon is blown up mostly all the way. We're going to make a bubble that's about 3 inches long, and another round bubble that we will turn into an ear twist. And that will be the foot. And we're going to go all the way to the other end. We're going to make another foot the same way, 3-inch bubble, a round bubble that will ear twist. We're going to fold them in half, find the top, and twist it there so we have a bubble. And we'll go back to our swan. We're going to take the tail and just lock it right in there. There we go. Straighten them up a little bit. And now we have a gorgeous flamingo. Oh, it's a flamingo dancer. What are you doing?